Hi guys, in today's video I'll be reviewing this cordless electric scissor. This thing operated by battery. It got the 1500 milliamp battery hour, charged by USB-C. That's a light indicator right here. And this thing operated by two switch, one at the bottom, one on the top. Have to be pressed together in order to operate. One at the bottom, and this thing can cut through cardboard and fabric of a thickness up 1/4 inches. First, I'll be testing on a cardboard. This one is pretty thin. This one about 1/8 of an inch. So cut through easily. Smooth on top, a little rough at the bottom. Push through easily. Alright, so now I'm going to change it to the thickness, thicker cardboard. This thing is 1/4 of an inch, and this cardboard is pretty thick, pretty strong too. Here we go. So this thing does have to push through really hard for it to get through, because the cutting board is like the size pretty small, and then you have to push through. This thing is pretty thick right here, so you have to push through really hard to get it through. Let me finish it up. Show you the result. Smooth on the top, a little rough at the bottom. It seemed like it can only cut like barely through. So check out this side. Smooth on top, a little rough at the bottom, but I think it's cut through. Yeah, so but it's a little hard to push through this thicker cardboard right here. Yeah, it's cut in a straight line, and it's a little hard to push through. Okay, now let's try the fabric. I'm going to try it on this piece of rag right here. This thing is about 1/8 of an inch. It'll cut through very easy. Try on this side. Yeah, the fabric, no problem. Cut through very easily. So let me give this thing a rating. I really like the guard right here, the hand guard. It's preventing you from getting paper cut, and I like the safety switch. You have to press double the switch to turn it on. Also the blade guard, the light up here, that's the feature. And for the cardboard, I'll give it a 6.5. And for the fabric, I give it a 7. Yeah, the cardboard is a little harder to push through, so I give it a 6.5. A 7 for fabric. So I'll leave the link in the description if you guys are interested, and if you guys want me to review other item, please let me know in the comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.